Hi, this is Drew with the Daniels Ag Services with your late morning update following the quarterly stocks numbers. So without further ado, let's jump in and take a look and see what was said. All right, grab our little whiteboard here. All right, so quarterly stocks. September 1 is the date these were taken. So corn came in at 824 million bushels. Trade was estimating that the number was going to come around 681 million bushels. So bull or bear, that's definitely bear. Come over here for beans, came in at 141 million bushels. Versus an estimate of 124 million bushels, so that was bearish as well. And then wheat came in at 1.855 billion bushels. Trade was expecting a little higher than that, coming at 1.913, so that was seen as bullish. So moving forward, how are the markets reacting to this? Right now it's 11:23 in the morning, so we've had 23 minutes to digest and trade the report. Right now, you got corn at 448 3/4. That's down around 5 1/4. You got bean at 12.90 3/4. That's down 29, and then D sweet is at 684 3/4. That's up 1.5 cents. So even before the report was released, most of what I was reading and hearing and talking to people about was they're saying even if this report did come out with bullish information, they didn't expect to see many of the rallies sustained due to the fact that we've got so much harvest pressure going on right now. So it was bullish, I'm sorry, for wheat, but we've already got that harvested, and right now we're planting. So we're pretty much done with the spring wheat harvest, and we're planting winter wheat right now, so not a whole lot of harvest pressure there for that. But moving over to corn and beans, we're still harvesting. There's harvest pressure, getting reports of good yields, and on top of that, the stocks numbers came in at bearish. So be on the lookout to the downside there, as we could go a little lower in these markets as harvest pressure, and then also bearish quarterly stocks. So that's all we've got for today. Let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise, we'll see you tomorrow morning.
This material is conveyed as a solicitation for entering into a derivatives transaction. This material has been prepared by a Daniels Ag Services broker who provides research, market commentary, and trade recommendations as part of his or her solicitation for accounts and solicitation for trades. Daniels Ag Services, its principals, brokers, and employees may trade in derivatives for their own accounts or for the accounts of others. Due to various factors, such as risk tolerance, margin requirements, trading objectives, short-term versus long-term strategies, technical versus fundamental market analysis, and other factors, such trading may result in the initiation or liquidation of positions that are different from or contrary to the opinions and recommendations contained therein. Past performance is not necessarily indicative of future performance. The risk of loss in trading futures contracts or commodity options can be substantial, and therefore, investors should understand the risks involved in taking leveraged positions and must assume responsibility for the risks associated with such investments and for their results. You should carefully consider whether such trading is suitable for you in light of your circumstances and financial resources. You should read the risk disclosure accessed at www.danielsagservices.com. Daniels Ag Services is not affiliated with, nor does it endorse any trading system, newsletter, or similar service. Daniels Ag Services does not guarantee or verify any performance claims made by such systems or services.